Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of carpet making. From raw materials to the finished product, let's unravel how carpets are made. Carpet creation begins with the selection of fibers, commonly wool, nylon, polyester, or polypropylene. Each fiber offers unique characteristics, influencing the carpet's durability, texture, and appearance. Once selected, the fibers are spun into yarn. This vital process twists and reinforces strands to enhance strength and resilience. The yarn is then dyed, using either pre-dyeing or post-dyeing methods. Pre-dyeing ensures even color distribution, while post-dyeing allows for vibrant patterns and designs. The dyed yarn is ready to be woven or tufted. Weaving, an intricate and traditional method, interlaces yarns on looms to produce dense, durable carpets. Tufting, a more modern technique, involves pushing yarn through a base fabric, creating loops or cut piles. This method offers a spectrum of textures, from plush velvets to structured Berbers. Next is backing. The carpet is coated with latex and pressed onto a backing material for stability and strength. Some carpets even feature dual backing for extra robustness. This stage is crucial for ensuring the carpet's longevity and resilience underfoot. After backing, the carpet is sheared. This trims any uneven ends, creating a uniform look and feel. It's during shearing that the carpet takes on its final texture and height. Quality control follows, checking for flaws or inconsistencies before the carpet leaves the factory. Only products meeting high standards make it to market, ensuring consumers receive top-quality flooring. The final stage is the finishing touches, such as adding stain or soil resistance treatments to enhance performance and lifespan. These treatments offer peace of mind, keeping the carpet looking new for longer. And there you have it, an intricate dance of technology and craftsmanship transforming simple fibers into beautiful, durable carpets. So next time you step onto a soft carpet, you'll appreciate the complex process that's gone into making it. Thank you for joining us on this exploration into the art of carpet making. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for more insightful content about everyday marvels and processes that shape our world.